of a orangey tone look. Yeah, it's almost melon peach colored. So that's City. Let's keep going. This one is in the tropics, so I bet that's going to be very orangey. Actually, no, it's more brown based. I don't know if y'all can see that. So this is more peachy this time. That's more brown. This is definitely more brown, and so are these. The lid is kind of more of an orangey color, but I think it's okay. So that's interesting. This is just a good basic palette color. All right, let's go next to the reds. Oh my gosh, this is very neutral in that the red is a deep rose red. And so it's super, hold on. And the highlighter is super champagne-y. Not orange at all. It's almost white. It also has a blue. So you have kind of some, the base is almost like a light rose and then a brown, and then the crease has got kind of a red in the shimmery brown. The liner is black. Yeah, it's black. The outer corner is blue and the inner corner is kind of a beige. So yeah, I think this is great. Love that one. And then last but not least, this one is Exotic Locale. And it looks like because of the dark color, it's going to be darker. Actually, no, this is, oh my gosh, this is more green based. So it's going to be more melony orange in the coloring because of the warmth of the green, which I don't always agree with that mentality, but we'll just look and see how they paired the colors. So you have a very white, like a shimmering highlight color, almost like a vintage gold color here. The crease is a warm brown, and then you have the inner corner is like a celery green, a olive green, and then an evergreen. It's almost got a blue undertone to it, but it is green, but it's like a blue green. Or like I said, like an evergreen or dark teal. That's what that looks like. That's the liner color. The highlighter is more of a beige, and it's got a bit of a melon. No, it doesn't. It's a little bit hint of a warmer color, but the blush is definitely, I mean, it's a rust color. So, but to go with the green, that would be kind of pretty. You just have to be really light with these blushes. I have not used them yet. I do say when people ask me what do you think of Laura Geller, I do like her products a lot. I have a number of them, and obviously I did it again. I ordered her products. Here's the thing. One thing that you can do for this for Christmas, birthday, just buy a 4-pack, and each one of these is a really nice individual blush, highlighter, and a day look and a night look, or a mixture of a look. But definitely colors you could use even for liner, so you don't have to buy liner, like a liquid liner. You can just use an eyebrow or liner brush that you can get at any drugstore and use that for your liner. I mean, I think these are great, and you could turn it into 4 presents, or you keep one and have 3 presents. Okay, what else is there that I wanted to show y'all? I have to show y'all a funny. Where is it? Is it this? Where is it? There it is. This is so funny. Do y'all remember a couple of weeks ago I showed y'all a purse that I really loved? But it was $400. It was a small purse, and I thought, I'm just not sure. And every one of y'all said, keep that bag. And I thought I should have, but I mailed it back. Y'all like it so much, I had it reshipped again. It is the Cami. And I did this on one other bag, and I bought it. It was a Chanel vintage. I'll show you that too. It's right here. Hold on. I got a vintage Chanel that is a jumbo, and this is a true vintage 24 karat gold plate, and you can see it's a jumbo, and it is lambskin leather, and it's the smooth quilted. It is not caviar like the one that I sold. So the exact same bag as the one I sold, only it was caviar leather. And this is a jumbo, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's got the 2 chains. It's got the big flap on the back, and it is an actual vintage purse. Instead of having the double flap, it's just open, which I love. I don't like the double flap. The double flap, Coco Chanel lived in Paris, and I'm not saying that you don't have shoplifting elsewhere, but you mainly have that in the big cities. So where I live, it would be Atlanta. I don't live anywhere near Atlanta. So, and I'm not saying shoplifting can't happen other places, but I just don't want that double flap because it's difficult to get into on purpose so that not shoplifter, pickpocket. will have a hard time getting in and out of your bag. Well, when you don't really, that's not your issue. If you're going to work or something, or just up to the grocery store, or out with some girlfriends to have lunch at, a local restaurant, that's not going to be the biggest concern.